Many congratulations my Dent coin holders. To this time in last 3 days you can see a 5.4% the Dent coin price will increase now. Definitely in upcoming days my friend, in the last 10 days of this month I am 100% sure my friend, every month my friend, every coin will wake up. So therefore Dent coin also my friends completely go to the moon in the last 10 days of this month. But kindly holders, for that you will need my friends to invest, and you will need now to hold. Otherwise my friends, they will never give you a profit. They will more and more fails down. So therefore, as you can see in last 3 days my friends, they will take a very huge jump. But my friend, in last 1 hour in last 1 day, if we check out my friend, this is also very important, because you can see my friend, this time 2.66% in last 24 hours just only they will get a profit. Remember to this is this coin will moving in, every coin my friend will moving in this circulation. To after a jump they will fails down, and after a jump they will fails down, absolutely my friend. But after a dump also they will take a very huge jump. So therefore my viewers, my subscriber, as you can see here in the last point, the arrows is moving in upward direction. So that's clear. To upcoming time the price will more increasing. So please Dent coin holders, you will need to hold down. If you are starting holding, I'm 100% sure my face to Dent coin price will more and more increasing. But for that you will need to hold down. If you are invest for a long time, I am 100% sure my face to Dent coin will give you a profit. But if you invest for a short time, then it's also very good now, because you know Dent coin is also very good coin for short time investor. So hope you understand my Dent coin viewers, my subscriber. My prediction is 100% going positive. My personal advice for all of you, I already shared it. So please remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you, please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more of this type videos.